Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to an Abarth 124 Spider that Abarth UK has kindly lent me. Before we go any further, let's start it up. There we go. I'm with GT6 Ollie.
Hello.
And we're going to go to the pub and just spend an evening with this car and try it out. Ollie's never been in one before. Oh, you turned the music on! Right, oh, handbrake, no. Oh. Wait. Oh, wow!
What?
That's really...
Does it have hill hold?
Yeah, it's hill hold.
Wait, let go of it. Wait for it.
There we go. That's brilliant! I've never noticed that before. So that's to help you for hill starts. You look cramped. You look very cramped.
I am furthest I can be back and my knees are touching the dash.
Okay. How tall are you?
6'3".
Well, that's just unnecessary. You need to lose some of that height. Go to the gym more, lose some height.
It's a nice car, it's just little.
It's little, but it's not going to lie.
Oh!
106 thought he'd give us some accelerations. He sees a fellow enthusiast and goes for it. Have you ever been in a bath before? Have you ever washed?
I was going to say, no, I only shower.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, look at the little... No, I have not.
No?
This is my first time, I think.
Oh. Let's try some accelerations. Little box.
Where are you taking me at?
This is a windy road to test out its windy capabilities. Oh, there's a little bump there.
I think I turned 12 again.
Hey! There we go. Hey!
Two guys in a convertible.
Oh yeah, two guys in a convertible. Probably put the roof up, look a little bit less homosexual.
Nothing wrong with that.
No, but when it's incorrect and you're trying to pull a pretty lady, it's not a good thing to do.
She can come sit with me. I'm sorry, girlfriend, if you're listening.
Girlfriend will be listening. Your girlfriend watches all my videos.
Oh.
I am just wasting fuel. Let's go into 4th gear and cruise. Lovely. Don't rave at every single... No, don't do waves. That's the same 106 from earlier. Yay! Did you get a wave back?
I did get a wave back.
You got a wave back. She was about 14.
She was.
Right, shall we go to the pub?
Good pub.
So whilst we're here, I can show you the roof. You just flip that up.
Oh, you can do it from inside. Ow, my head!
I'm sorry. Oh, let's try it again. Slow motion. Oh my head. Oh, I messed that up. I must say soft drinks because we are driving. Ollie ordered via the app. I didn't. Mine's not here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Well, it is evening now, so we really shouldn't put it down, but it's cool.
Oh. Hello there.
Still can't work out how to make it pop.
Oh.
Ah! So we now have food bellies. No, yes, food bellies. Food babies. Food babies. So we're feeling a bit, so we're going to take it easy for now.
Many babies. I love you! Please don't put that in the video.
See if David can hear us coming. I doubt so. Oh, God. It's a little bit small.
It's tiny, isn't it?
Does it fit with the? Do you fit with the roof up?
Yeah, mine's red.
Just about. I mean, you're looking at.
Hey, how? I like the little cup holders.
Yeah.
And little storage thingies. Oh, you got a camera in there.
I do. And the cup holder is detachable somehow.
It's somehow detachable.
Ah.
Ugh.
And then you put it here.
It's basically got a Fiat 500 Abarth engine in it.
It does, yes. 1.4 multi-jet turbo.
180 horsepower?
Roughly.
Roughly. What's that?
That's the sports mode.
Sports. Have you got it in sports mode at the moment? You
I
have.
do.
Oh, it's a keyless go.
It is. I'm now going to take David out for a ride in the 124.
You're just about to take David out in the ride in the 124.
If you're any taller, yeah, you can just look over.
If you're any taller than 6'4", you will. You can't fit.
No.
My knees are rammed against the dash, and with the roof down, I'm touching.
Yeah.
Pretty well. Got a bit of pep to it.
It does.
You've gone to them. You stalled it.
I didn't stall it. It stalled itself. I was trying
You
to be
meant to
quiet.
park it here, didn't you?
Yes, yes. This is where I parked it. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna go home. I'm gonna take Ollie back. It's a little bit cold, so I will sign off the video now because it's a bit dark and you probably can't see us. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks to Abarth UK for lending me the car for the weekend. I've got far more planned for this, so check out those videos. But for now, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe.